This is a TReX training video on how to load and save configuration files. The configuration files can be loaded and saved in a number of ways. In this case, we will be using the RS-232 port. So this is the RS-232 port, and it has already been wired in this case, following the instructions in the TReX user manual. You will need to have an RS-232 cable, and you will need to have either an available RS-232 port on your PC or a USB to serial adapter. You will also need to have the WTE serial terminal program. So this is already on the desktop here. You can obtain that from our website, WTE.co.nz. So in this case we have it's available here, and it's under Products, Tools, and that will take you to this page here, and this is the serial terminal program to download. Once you have run the program, you will need to plug in your USB to serial adapter, and in this case I will just unplug the one I'm using, and you'll see that we've got a status here of the associated USB COM port that is used for that adapter, so that you can identify which COM port to use. So in this case, just plugged it in, and it says added COM port 11, so we know that COM port 11 is the correct one to use. If this is not doesn't say COM port 11 here, then we go into settings, and we will make sure that this is 9600 and that we've selected COM port 11 here. On the TReX, we'll need to make sure that we have the correct baud rate. So if we go to the baud rate here, we will see that it's 9600 baud here. So the baud rates at both ends match. So the reason you may choose to download the configuration using this method is so that you can back up your configuration and maybe share it with other TReX units, have the same configuration applied to many, or just for archiving purposes. So in this case, we're now connected. We've got the COM port 11 has been connected, and we can prove that we've got communications there. Just sent the config command, and it's listing all the commands that are available here. So I'm going to save the configuration now from the TReX and press the save button. In this case, I'm going to call it config 4. Okay. And you can see that it's saving in progress. And when it's completed at the bottom, see that it says configuration file saved. Having a look at some of the configuration files, here's a shortcut on desktop to it. You've got configuration 4 has been saved, and if we open that, we will see that it's just a straight text file, and it's just all of the commands, and you can choose to edit this file directly if you wish. So now that it's been saved, we can at a later time we can choose to press load now. We select the file that we're interested in, and in this case, and then it starts loading, and it will give you feedback after each command has been executed. And at the end of loading the configuration, it will invoke the save command on the TReX to apply it to its internal memory. So it is applied when it restarts. So that's now complete now, and that is the entire process that has been completed. Thank you.